Right, next we've got a lovely Yamaha Tz 350.
Right, got to go pick Hagen's bike over now, we won't mind.
Right, fill us in, give us a little bit about the history.
Built from a box of bits, mate. No, it was actually we brought 3 bikes: a DRS, Derby Racing Services chassis TZ. We bought this as a pile of bits and a spondon beam. We just built 3 bikes. We thought, why not? You know, for those that don't really know, the TZ 350 was probably the TZ 350 and 250s were probably next to the Manx Norton most successful over-the-counter racer ever made. And they're still bloody fast now. You know, the 150 mile an hour capability. The rider of this bike, not this particular one, but on the beam spondon that we've just built, he was lapping the Isle of Man at 107 mile an hour on a 350 in 1984, which is just a few seconds behind Robert Dunlop was doing it at the same time. So they're super fast little motorcycles, super simple as well as a race bike should be.
Yeah, quick, obviously kind of a good all-round package, you know, back in those days especially, but you know, it surprised me actually with like at the TT, I think the Norton's got the 3rd most amount of rostrums, you know, incredible all-round package for anybody to jump on to be competitive.
Oh yeah, absolutely, yeah. The thing is that these bikes were relatively cheap to run, you know, but Norton's Manxes weren't particularly cheap to run. I think an exhaust valve for a Manx Norton in 1962 was like £10, like a week's wages, you know, it's a completely different thing. But these were, you know, they were affordable. You know, you could take them at your pride, and they share almost the same cases as an RD 250 and 350 at the time. So a lot of the parts were interchangeable, and that's pretty much what happened to them. And it's a testament actually to how good they were or are, is that so many survive. You know, at one point you go into the local press and you'd want a TZ 350, there'd be 15 for sale, but now you know, people are hooking onto them and collecting them. And I think it's just down at Goodwood, they had the Goodwood members meeting where they had the 350 racing down there, 350s and 250s. Now, absolutely competitive, you know, still, even today, massive fan base for these things. Yeah. If you want to get into classic racing, it's a good way of doing it. Yeah.
Yeah.